Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Scentsy subscription. This is the Whiff Box for the month of March. Get ready for brighter days to come. There's always some kind of activity in here, and this month it shows you how to make a little pinwheel. And then on the back, tells you how to use the wax cups. You always get some sample of wax cups in there. Ooh, looks like we got a bunch of cleaning supplies this time. I meant to pause this subscription temporarily just so I can use up all the stuff I've gotten so far, and I clearly keep forgetting, so see if I remember to do it next month. This is Spring Has Sprung, and this is the scent of the month. Take a whiff of that. Yeah, that smells nice. Definitely does remind me of spring. And for the cleaning products, I have lemon verbena, that's the scent, and this is bathroom cleaner. Cool. I have used the counter cleaner that they sent me a while ago, and it's very fragrant and really nice smelling. Dish soap, perfect, because I am almost out. Johnny Appleseed, so I would assume that smells just like apple, but I will take a whiff. I didn't smell the lemon verbena because I know what that smells like. Ooh yeah, that smells just like apples. Very nice. And that's 16 fluid ounces, so is the other one. This is Counter Clean Squeeze the Day. And again, 16 ounces. They have it wrapped good so it won't leak. Little spray bottle. So now I have another counter cleaner, which is perfect since we should be disinfecting our house more than usual with the coronavirus. And messy kids, let's not forget that. My kids are so messy. Mineral Oasis is the scent. I have not smelled that one, but this is a little air freshener for your car, closet, wherever you want to put that. Kind of smell it through there. It smells pretty good. And then some, my little scent pod disappeared. Be Fabulous. I'm not even sure. Oh, there it is. Be Fabulous. It's purple, and these are pretty big little samples they give you. That smells so good. I love that. Real fruity and fragrant. Also have washer whiffs in Clothesline. Also Clothesline liquid laundry and a scent soft. Cool. So they did give me 3 matching scents, so that's good. And I think that's it. If you guys would like to join or sign up for your own box or order anything from the website, I will put the link below for the girl that I order through, and I will put my playlist as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.